Yo guys, SpitXOB here back in another video. Yo. Wait. Yo guys, SpitXOB here back in another video. And today, pardon me, today I'm gonna be doing Subwaysurfers. So I got tricky now. I got some stuff on my, wait, hold up. I got some stuff on my Xbox. I mean, I can upload on my Xbox like Black Ops 1, all the Halos, but I feel like it'll be dumb. No, it won't, but like, it won't be dumb, it's just that, if I mess something up, I don't wanna, like, I'll have to delete it and all the progress, because I'm just figuring this stuff out. Yes? No. How could I use all the internet? Oh. What? No. It's not that, it's just because you got a bad phone. Oh. Yeah, I'm so bad at the jetpack. How am I alive? Alright, this board will help. What? That was weird. Oh, it keeps like pausing. It's getting weird. That's like the third jetpack. It keeps pausing. Okay, this is getting annoying. Yeah, what the hell keeps going on? Yeah. What the hell, I'm lagging. Okay, sorry guys, but it's getting a bit laggy. Oh, we got a key. Just in case we die or we might need to die. Okay, I'm gonna die in a second. You might try fix it. We got a key, so we're okay. Have one board left. No, I got a load of game on my Xbox. I like Ghostbusters, not Buster Ghost. That's weird. Busters. I was gonna say that, but I have Ghostbusters in there. That'll definitely be coming. Ghostbusters. I love Ghostbusters. Yes. Glad I had that key. How am I doing this? I'm alive. Do I have keys or? Oh. Man, that was long. Alright, let's go waste money. Head start. Oh yeah. That was a long run. That was an 8-minute video. Bye bye.